Put the date and write signature. Saugata Manna, if you have completed this, okay, then in your book, then do it in your copy. Suppose you have completed all the thing in the book, then do it in the copy right now. The first one is given. This one already done na, before puja vacation. I completed this one. Rahat, that representation of ordinal number. Yes, though. Suppose it is given fifth. Then what will be its representation? 5, then th on the top of 5. Yes, though. Can you remember? Good. Jennifer, Ankush, Shadik Farhan. Okay. Now look at this. How to write this in the book? Achha, as there is not enough space. Okay, so I am writing the answer over there. But you will write here, huh? In the blanks. Let me write this one. For the first one, 6th it is given. Write its ordinal numbers. It will be that representation, okay? Now the next one, 3rd. Then 8th. Then 4th. 10th. Okay. Then 5th, write this. First. Okay. Acha. 3rd, it is already written in the book. You will write the answer here, huh? 6th, 3rd means 3, then you have to write RD. 8th means 8, then TH on the top. These things are done already. 4th, 4, then TH on the top of this 4. Or you can write in beside, you can write beside of this number. 10, this T, then TH. 5th, 5, then TH. 2nd, 2, then ND. Do this one first. Completed? Up to 2nd I have done. Okay, there are 3 more cardinal names. 7th, 1st, 9th. If you have completed up to this, then I'll erase the screen. I'll clear it. Shakibuddin, done. Up to 7th, this one up to 2nd. If you have done, then you can raise your hand. Okay, Jennifer, Shatoa. Atrei, Almasuddin, Jishan Ali Jamadar, Shaugato, Spondon, Afroz Ali, Rabiul Islam. Keep your camera on. Srijita, Shadik Paran, Orindam, done. Now I am clearing the screen and I am completing these three. Acha, these three I am writing over there. Look, it is given second. So it will be, acha, second to done from the next one. Seventh. It will be 7, then TH, yes? Now the first. 1, then ST. One, then ST. Acha, the last one, this is 9th. 9, then TH. Write this first. Complete this one. Done to? Alia, Somriddho, Ifra, Aryan Ahmad. Keep your camera on. Jubair Almasuddin. Achha, those who have completed this, they can raise their hand. I am waiting for 2 minutes, okay? You will have to do in copy this one. Okay, now how to do? Because this one we have to match na in this way. Suppose in this way. Okay, so it will make dirty. It will be dirty. So you will have it in the copy. Now, first one. Second, it will be matched with and in words. Then next one. Fifth and teach is written. So what will be its answer? 15th, na? This representation already done. Now the next one. It is written 8, then TH. 8th, na? So write EIGHTH. 3, Paran Akhtar, writing. Next one, look, 8th done. 11th. ELEVENTH. Then the next one. It will be what? What will be its name? 9th. Jennifer Shakibuddin writing. Just shake your head. NINTH, 9th. Now this one. Fatia, what will be its name? 6th, na? Completed up to this? I am waiting for 2 minutes. Raise your hand. If you have completed, then raise your hand. Now this last 3 I am doing. The last 4. This one will be 14th. FOURTEENTH. This one will be 13th. THIRTEENTH. Jinia, done. Okay. Now this one is 7th. ACVENTH. And the last one is 20th. TWENTIETH. 20th. As per I remember, up to 20th done in class na, Jinia, before puja vacation. Or ko Priya, up to 20th done to before puja vacation. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes or no. Okay. Now, again in the book, the next one. I'm clearing it. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Okay. This one, look. I told you about this position. Ordinal number means position. Look here. 5 friends are given. First one, Samir, Mahek, Neetu, Rihan, and Arav. Okay. Now, according to its position, write its position. Achha, how to count? From the left side, okay? That means what? If you are doing the classes from the laptop or desktop or phone, on the screen, if you are looking at, then which one is left side? Your left hand side. Okay? Basically, on which side your left hand is there? Look, this one is left hand, and in this side, our right hand is there now. So that means this is left side, this one right side. Okay? Just according to your left hand and right hand. Is it clear? Atrey? If you are looking at the screen, then your left hand side is left side, your right hand is right side. Got it? Or ko Priya, Jinia, Afrozali, Ankush, understood? Okay. Now look at this. That means from left side, this position is first, this one, second, this is third, fourth, this one fifth. Yes or no? Fatia? Okay. Now look at this. Afrozali, do it. First question. Neetu is at the dash place. Neetu is at what place? At which place? Where is Neetu? Look. This one is Neetu. So at third place. The first answer will be third. Acha, let me write it over there. This answer will be third. Second one. Dash is the first. Who is in the first? Samir is in the first, na? So write Samir. Third one. Riyan is standing. Dash in the Riyan standing. Riyan's place we have to find where? Fourth. Write it first. Now the fourth one. Mehek is standing. Mehek, in which place? Look. Second position. Now the fifth one. Dash is standing fifth. Who is standing fifth? Look. Arav. Do it first. Done. Shamridho, Afroz, Almashuddin. If done, then you can raise your hand. Or Kopriya, understood? Farhan Akhtar, Ifra, Sadiq, Farhan and Jinia. Acha, I am waiting for 2 minutes. Then I'll check each and everyone's copy. I am waiting for 2 minutes. Okay, this one is your HW. This first thing, second, third, and the last one I'll complete in class tomorrow. Only this one is your homework. What is given in this question? Color the boxes. Okay, how to color? First, color the sixth brick red. Acha, here is how much bricks are there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bricks are there. Color the sixth brick red. That means what? The sixth one we have to color red. Suppose the next one is given. Color the third brick blue. Look at this. Third one, first, second, and third. Third means this one. We have to color this one blue. Got it? How to do? According to the statement, you have to color it. This one will be only your homework. Got it? Everyone? Farhan Akhtar? Now let me check each and everyone's copy. The name I'll call, they will show me their copy.